the tone, record your name.
And welcome to a 5-minute demonstration for Vantage Point with managed event calls. First, a brief summary on the advantages of Vantage Point. Point allows you faster decision making and helps you manage your question and answer session more effectively during event call. Instant online communication with your event manager to get the most from your event call. Vantage Point is a web-based software application designed for use on your managed event attended or pre-registration calls. Point is the customer. View the participants in the meeting, make requests to reorder or remove participants in the question and answer queue, and or text chat securely and directly with your BT event manager during your call. That's on Vantage Point. In more detail. So I've logged on to Vantage Point, your screen. The summary information on the page ribbon. There's the end user, the login time, number of active speakers, Q&A status, and the number of participants in Q&A when active. Then click on the participant tab shown. This will show the list of participants join the call, and their detailed information such as last name, first name, phone, and company are displayed. They can display information more easily by clicking on the column headings. This will sort each column, for example, in alphabetical order. And all longer names or information is text wrapped in columns to display information more clearly. As participants join the call, the user has the option to print the participant list using the Print Participant tab. And finally, let's end the chat window feature. The chat will show the last received message at the bottom of the list, as with the IM format. Chat message will be color-coded and blended to help distinguish between each user. The full chat messages are shown in the chat window, and any user joining late will see a full history of chat messages. And up to the window, the chat screen, users and operator in the chat session are shown. Now let's look at what you can do with Vantage Point during the question and answer session to ensure this session is managed effectively and meets with all your requirements. As we start the call, a summary of information is available on the screen ribbon. The number of participants in the Q&A queue is shown in the summary information. When the session is started by the operator, then the user clicks on the Q&A tab to view live information. Then just 3 window panes to view information on the Q&A session. The top pane shows the speakers. Other 3 are shown without scrolling down. The middle shows the current questioner. The bottom pane shows the participants in the queue who press *1 on their telephone keypad. They are listed in the order they entered *1. During an answer session, the end user can request the operator to take the following actions. Firstly, to request the queue is reordered. Secondly, to request that a participant is removed from the queue. And thirdly, to request that a questioner is muted or unmuted. So let's now look at how to request to reorder the Q&A queue. So if the end user wants one attendee to ask their question, but they were listed 3rd in the queue, they would click on the blue icon as shown, and then click on the reorder button. As the reorder button is clicked, an automatic text message is sent to the operator and shown in the chat window to confirm the request. The operator reorders Q&A, an automatic chat message is sent to the end user. And the participants in the Q&A are reordered as shown. Now, let's look at how to request or remove participants from the Q&A queue. The end user must select the red icon on the screen shown. This action will send an automatic message to the operator. The operator will remove the participant from the Q&A queue, and the end user will also see the change of the queue. And third, the end user can request the operator to mute or unmute the live questioner. To do, the user will need to send a text message in the chat window. The operator will mute the questioner and then can also unmute if required. And to log out, click on the shown and then click OK. This is a demonstration for Vantage Point. I'd like to thank you for your time and interest in Vantage Point and look forward to speaking with you again soon. Goodbye.